Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something really exciting. I'm going to talk about how you can leverage LinkedIn strategically to get noticed by recruiters and companies. And not just that, I'm going to show you how to apply to jobs using different methods in LinkedIn. Okay? If you are job hunting, and you've been getting negative feedbacks or you're even confused on how to go about it, then this video is specifically for you. Or you don't even know the website you are meant to apply to jobs, then this video is for you because I'm going to help solve that particular problem for you. So let's begin. So first thing first, LinkedIn job posts, they are key, like real key. LinkedIn job posts are just basically hiring managers posting about jobs that are available. Let's say data analytics hiring managers posting available jobs on their LinkedIn. And how do you get to see this? There is a way you can actually search for LinkedIn to get HRs or hiring managers that post job availabilities in their company. And in this search, you can tailor your search to whatever you want, whether it's remote, even the location, and even the time when the job post is being done. So I'm going to show you now how to do that right now.
So guys, when you come on LinkedIn, go to this LinkedIn search, then search for hiring data analyst remote. So if you don't want remote, you can specify that. But if you want remote, you can specify that. So I'll say hiring data analyst remote. Then I'm going to click on see your results. So I'm going to select posts because I just want to see the posts, and then I'm going to select sort by. So I'll select top match. Top match is going to give you top match job posts related to where you stay, like your location and all that. So I'll select top match and click on show results. Then date posted, I'll select past 24 hours. You will like to select past 24 hours because it shows that lesser people might have seen it, or you can have an edge when you apply first, or you apply faster, or you are among the few persons that applied first to the job. So I'm going to select past 24 hours and I'll click on show results. So after that, you are going to see different job posting for data analyst remote, and then you're going to apply to them. So the best thing about this, the reason why this is actually better than using Indeed or even using other websites for applying to jobs, is that these people are the HRs for this company. So you can literally send messages to these people. So let's say you want to apply to this job, right? Just for example, you can just search, you can search for this person, then follow the person, then you can message this HR. So you can select a topic and you can write a message. Oh hi, I just applied to this job that you posted. Talk about yourself, say something relatable to them. So you can literally just do a quick research on this person, this HR, and write a follow-up text or message to the person. So this is one of the reasons why this method works so well, works so perfectly, because you can be able to message the HR directly after your job application and even start building relationship with the HR manager. So this is why this is so much better than using Indeed or using any other job or any other platform from applying to jobs.
So guys, so you see, in this way, you can tailor your job search to the time that is being posted, whether you want it to be remote or not, and also the location. This is a very important way of actually job hunting and getting jobs. Okay, so now we're moving to the second way that you can strategically position yourself to be noticed by employees and by recruiters or companies. So It is basically just by commenting and also putting our content on LinkedIn. How you are going to get noticed by recruiters and companies on LinkedIn is when you talk about what you do on LinkedIn. Talk about your project, your learning experiences, everything that is going on in your career on LinkedIn. Share your knowledge. Let people know what you are doing. When you do that, people in that field will get to notice you, and also recruiters and companies that need those skills will get to also notice you. So the more you are known, the more opportunities you actually get. And also, you can comment on people's posts. Let's say thought leaders in data analytics field, you can decide to comment reasonable things on their posts. When you do, people that see that you actually know what you're saying, they can check out your profile and start a conversation with you. You can also get known by commenting on people's posts. So next time you are commenting on LinkedIn, do not just say thank you or this was insightful. All these vague comments that we give. Give a thoughtful comment that shows you read and you understood what the said person is talking about. This can be a game changer for you. Okay, this can be a game changer for you. So take putting out content on LinkedIn very seriously, because even if you reach out to the HR after applying to a job, they're going to check out your LinkedIn profile to see how active you are there and see the kind of content you put out. But when you usually put out content talking about what you do, talking about what you know, putting out projects out there, talking about anything that you learn, those things are going to like convince them to actually employ you or to check out your CV and application. Okay, so remember, the more you are known, the more opportunities you get. I don't want to start telling you guys my story. I don't want to go there. I've made a lot of videos on that, so you can just look for them in my channel. But the truth is that the more you are known, the more opportunities you get. So the next is having an active and solid profile. Having an active and solid profile helps you build better connections. Okay, it helps you build better connections. So you have to take your time and edit your profile. Make sure it shows what you do. Make sure it shows what this is. A video of what my profile looks like. It might not be the best, but at least anyone looking at it knows that I'm serious about my career, and also knows that I know what I do, I know my value and what I can offer. So make sure that your profile shows that you are serious about what you do. It shows that you are active, because recruiters, like, when they look at your profile, they will notice whether you are serious about your career, and they notice how active you are. So you have to build your profile in a way that recruiters can grab recruiters attention. Also, I mentioned about commenting on people's posts. I don't want to let you know that this commenting on people's posts is not just only anyone's post. It's mostly commenting on recruiters' posts. Yes, sometimes they make posts about their hiring for someone, they're hiring for a position. If it's related to you, can comment on it. Or basically they make a post about something, about the job, or about what they think, just sharing their knowledge. Comment on it. Comment on recruiters' post. So go search for HRs that work in data analytics related companies. Connect with them whenever they make posts. Comment on their posts. That is why it's important for you to have an active and relevant profile. So when you finally get noticed by your comment, they check out your profile. They will see that, oh, this person is actually serious and this person actually knows his or her onions. So take your time and edit your profile. Put in all your certifications, put in all your skills, and take more certifications so that you can be trusted with that role you are applying for. Now, the last thing that you can do is using LinkedIn jobs. So most people do not know there is a section for jobs on LinkedIn, just for jobs on LinkedIn, and many people do not use this. This place is this section is very, very important because it can help you a whole lot. So I'm going to show you a video now. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can actually use this LinkedIn job section to land your next data analytics job.
So when you click on the job section in LinkedIn, when you click on it, you're going to see top job picks for you. Depending on your profile, right? Depending on your LinkedIn profile, these are going to be top job picks for you. So you can decide to look at them, right? You can look at them, you can read what the job is about, and you can easily apply to this job. Or you can just scroll. You see that this is suggested sub job searches for you, suggested job searches. And also if you come here, you can change the skill or title or company. So you can select data analyst, and you can also select the location that you're looking for. So if you want to be in Nigeria, you can select Nigeria. If you want to be specific place in Nigeria, let's say Lagos State, Nigeria, you can select Lagos State, Nigeria, so that the jobs for data analyst Lagos State, Nigeria will be appearing. So you're going to be seeing this Lagos State, Nigeria, Lagos State, Nigeria remote. This one is remote. So you're going to be getting Nigeria also, and also Lagos State, Nigeria. So you can search for any place you are from any country. Then you can also do date posted. It can be past 24 hours. You can also even select the experience level you want. So if you click on experience, you can decide to select the entry level, and then you can even choose the exact company you want to search for an opening, right? And then you can select whether you want remote. So remote, on-site, hybrid. So you can select remote. So that's going to give you remote data analyst jobs in Lagos, Nigeria, right? So if you put Nigeria and select remote, right? Remote for Nigeria, show results. You are going to see options for that. Then you can also specifically select Lagos State, Nigeria, remote, and you can also see options for that. Okay. Senior data analyst, Kuda, Lagos State, Nigeria. This is hybrid, Lagos State, Nigeria, blah blah blah. Then you can also decide not to put any, and you can just try to use remote to just get remote jobs. And this is so helpful when you are job hunting. This is so helpful. You can literally get jobs through this way, through this method. Okay.
So you see, this is very easy. You can literally search for companies that you would like to apply to. You can search for the location, specific state, for specific country that you would like to apply to, whether it's remote or hybrid or on-site, even the time frame when the job is posted. And you are advised to actually apply that has not been there for a long time. Okay, you the earlier you apply, the more chance you have, okay. So don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile, the link to my LinkedIn profile is in the description below, and you can join our data analytics community if you want to, get to know like-minded people in this field and connect with them. Click on the link to join our WhatsApp data analytics community. My master data analytics class is coming up on the 20th of this month. So it's going to run for 3 months, and it's only going to go for 90,000 naira on discount. But the main price is 120,000 naira. But right now it's on discount of 90,000 naira. So rush, chat me up. Let us start the registration process. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.